Hey everyone, I'm super excited to share the September 2021 Hip Kit Club kits with you. I will quickly go through everything really fast. I cannot wait to create with these. These are absolutely amazing. There's a mix of Pink Fresh Studio The Best Day collection, as well as the September Days exclusive collection designed by both Kim and Kimberly. So let's get started. I will show the papers fairly quickly. That is an exclusive. It's called Teacher's Pet, and I am in love with these apples. I want to fussy cut them. I want to do all of the things. I think they are absolutely adorable. And this is the B-side. It's just like a white with black polka dots. Here are the Best Day papers. Love you always with the B-side. And here is another the Best Day paper with the B-side. This one is so fun to cut up and use. Let's see. Okay, I was just going through the Best Day first, and then I'll show you the exclusives. Okay, so here are the rest of the Pink Fresh Studio collection. This one, and lastly this one. And then here are the exclusive papers. This one is called No Sneaking Around, and that's the B-side. Super cute. Oh, here's another, oh, my fault. Here's one more Pink Fresh Studio paper. Here is another exclusive. This one is called Bubble Tea. Super fun. And this one is called Pass Me a Note. Really fun with a denim B-side. This would be really fun for school or back to school. And so many reasons. I can't wait to cut this up, and I can't wait to see what y'all do with this paper. This one is going to be a lot of fun. And then the B-side is like a notebook paper. All right, so here are the embellishments in the main kit. We get these exclusive alphas in a navy blue. I know my lighting is making them show up really dark, but it is a navy blue. We get these clear stickers, and they are stars with like a little pattern inside. We get these puffy stickers. They're just a bunch of different phrases. Lots of great ones. We get the Best Day ephemera pack, and I will show you those. And then I'm really excited for these. These are so cute. They are fabric die cuts, and they are made to look like the back, like your pockets in your jeans. So I believe this is, it might, yeah, well, hold on. I think you peel this back maybe, and it could be adhesive, or it's just like this to make sure that it's sturdy. But instead of, you know, like the Levi logo, it says XOXO. I think that's so cute. So yeah, I cannot wait to use these. And you get 4 different pockets, and you get some flags as well as some flowers and then little tabs. So yeah, these are amazing. I love those. Okay, so that was the main kit. Let's put that there. Here is the color kit. We get 3 shimmers this month. We get 2 sprays, a Spritz and a Vibes Mango Tango, and a Spritz Cotton Candy. So a really pretty, this ends up being like a, kind of like a peachy, orangey tone. It does look red, but when you do spray it, I guess it's more of like a red, orangey kind of tone. And then of course Cotton Candy is a gorgeous pink. Then we get an orange sherbet. I always say sherbet because that's just how I've always said it since I was a kid. And yeah, so it's a really pretty orange. And we get this Echo Park stencil, and it's got a bunch of leaves and little twigs. So yeah, lots of fun with that. So that's the color kit. Here is the Pocket Life kit. We get the Best Day cardstock stickers. These exclusive alphas in a mustard color. So lots of A's, lots of H's and I's and M's, O's, lots of alphas on there. We also get, which I love these are some clear stickers. So we get phrases as well as these little, oh, my light keeps turning off. I don't know what is wrong with it. It's kind of frustrating. Okay, so I love these. I love these to use as layering pieces. So that is those. And we get the Best Day enamel dots. We get the Best Day puffy stickers. And then I will quickly go through the Pocket Life cards. Which may stab myself, that would not be good. So, and like I've said in previous unboxing videos, if you're not a pocket scrapbooker like myself, I like to use these as photo mats. I like to create little mini albums with them. They are great to cut up, to punch out if they have little patterns. A lot of them have phrases that you can fussy cut or punch out with punches, you know, to make additional embellishments. Yeah, so there are so many possibilities, even if you aren't a pocket scrapbooker. You can put them in a planner, traveler's notebook. Like if you're a memory planner, you can make like, yeah, so they come in different sizes. So those would be cute. A lot of them can make really pretty planner dashboards. That one says the best day. That's so cute. And then here are the 3x4s. So there's that denim one again. I love that floral, that's so pretty. And then that would be fun just to cut out if you have a kid that's, or you know, a grown adult that's in going back to school for college. Learn something new every day. This is pretty, that matches the Best Day collection. So fun. So here are all the Pocket Life kit cards. And I'm going to show you the embellishment kit and then briefly show you the cardstock kit. The paper kit are the same papers as the main kit, so I won't show you those. And then here is the embellishment kit. We get some exclusive ephemera, also from the September Days collection. Here are all those. I don't open them up, so if you want to see them, just go ahead and pause it so you could take a closer look. But yeah, lots of great back to school elements. There's some art stuff, great phrases, books, laptops, so fun. Yeah, so the book lover, so if you have a book lover, or if you are a book lover and you want to document some of your books that you're currently reading, that would be perfect. These are probably one of my favorite embellishments from the Best Day collection. I'm almost all out of mine, so I'm so excited to get more. We did get these wood veneer stickers, and so yeah, if you want to document, you know, different grades, they're awesome. We get these, like the ephemera. It's not just floral ephemera, there are other little bits and pieces in there. So pretty. And then lastly, we get the chipboard frames. All right, so that was the embellishment kit. Here is the cardstock kit. We get turquoise mist, and then of course white. I think we get extra white, unless this might be a design team. We might have gotten extra ones for this design team. I believe you get 2 of white in the kits, but I could be wrong. But I think that is correct. I think you only get 2. So we get flamingo, pollen, wisteria, and mango. All right, so that is the cardstock kit, and that is everything in the September 2021 kits. They are absolutely gorgeous. I have heard some fantastic things about October, so stay tuned for those. I believe snakes will be coming shortly. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so lots of fun things coming your way. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some upcoming projects using these beautiful kits. But thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.